Hi everyone! We are the Exposition Park of Floresta City that is surrounded by nature and good weather. Such a fun environment where the big festivities happens during the year with famous bands and local artists that share happiness through music. This is the place where the animals, normally goats and sheep, are shown for the people. Now we can see the representation of the traditional and cultural style of house that are usually made by farmers in this region. And also we can find plant seedlings that help in a sustainable environment to the city. Thanks for watching.